In today's video, I will show you how to fix Facebook not sending verification codes. Whether you are trying to log in, reset your password, or verify your account, follow each step carefully because one simple setting can be the reason you are not receiving the code. So first of all, you need to check your mobile signal and network. Make sure your phone has strong mobile signal. Verification codes are sent through SMS, not the internet. If you are in a low signal area, try moving to a better spot or turn airplane mode on and then off. Then a simple restart often refreshes your network and fixes SMS delays. So go ahead and restart your device, wait a few seconds and request the code again. Next, open your Messages app and check if Facebook short code is blocked. Also, make sure your phone isn't on Do Not Disturb, which can sometimes hide incoming SMS notifications. So make sure the phone number you added on Facebook is correct and include your country code. For example, if you are in Pakistan or in India, then it should be start with +92 or +91. So next is clear Facebook app cache. So on Android, you need to follow the on-screen settings, and on iPhone, I've also added the steps. Now next, try using email instead of phone number. If SMS isn't working, select the option to receive the code through your email account. This works 99% of the time. Now Facebook may temporarily limit code request. If you try too many times, wait 10 to 15 minutes and then request the code again. Next, you need to contact your mobile network provider. If you are still not receiving SMS from short codes, contact your mobile network. Some carriers block automated SMS, so they can re-enable it for you. If nothing works, go to the Facebook Help Center, choose login issues, and report that you are not receiving verification codes. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.